I found a simple explanation for this to move a block about the weight of a minivan would be to place a stone underneath it. And once I balance on it, I can spin it. Of course, with that spin, you've seen I didn't go anywhere. But I got two handles on my lever, and I could place another stone on this side. Now, every time I spin a half rotation on each stone, I move the block horizontally, the distance between the stones. For my own output, I could move a 1-ton block 300 feet per hour.
Using this technique, he's moved everything